Canada Immigration Frequently Asked Questions. Part 3. Today, we bring you part 3 of the all-new video on the most frequently asked questions about Canadian immigration. Those who have been following us must have already watched our previous FAQ videos on Canadian immigration. But if you are new to our channel, make sure to watch those videos to learn helpful information by clicking on the links in the description box below, or clicking the eye icon appearing on the top right corner of this video. Now, let's start today's FAQ video and answer all the questions that our viewers dropped in the comments of our previous videos. Don't forget to support our channel by sharing our videos on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, so that we can continue to bring you the latest immigration updates. Alejandro Hill asked,
Who processes Canada visa applications?
Thank you, Alejandro, for taking the time to send us your question. We appreciate your engagement with our content. Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, is responsible for granting entry to immigrants, protecting refugees, and helping new entrants settle in Canada through different programs. Plus, the IRCC is the entity that provides Canadian citizenship and issues travel documents, including visas and passports. Peggy Harmon inquired,
What are the requirements to immigrate to Canada?
Dear Peggy, we want to express our gratitude for your inquiry and for being a valued subscriber. Please note that every immigration program has a unique set of eligibility requirements. Therefore, you are advised to confirm your eligibility before submitting a visa application. The Canadian government will ask you to submit various documents to verify your work experience, identity, education, and medical and criminal records during the application process. The documents you will be requested to submit will depend on the immigration program you wish to apply for. So, figure out your preferred immigration program before gathering the required documents. Deepti Nat left a comment.
Is there an age limit to immigrate to Canada?
Your question is important to us, Deepti, and we thank you for sharing it with us. Canadian immigration programs have no age restrictions. However, applicants aged between 25 to 35 earn the highest points in most of the economic immigration categories. But this doesn't mean that older applicants are not selected for those visas. Points lost because of age restrictions can be easily compensated by having significant job experience, Canadian contacts, advanced education, and language fluency. Moreover, humanitarian and refugee and family sponsorship Canadian immigration programs do not follow a ranking system. Plus, they don't have any age restrictions. Dayaram Raval commented,
What is the fastest way I can migrate to Canada?
Thank you for reaching out to us with your question, Dayaram. It helps us understand our subscribers' needs better. The quickest way to migrate to Canada is by applying for immigration through Express Entry. The processing of your Express Entry applications can take up to 6 months. Arunima Sorka left a query in the comments section.
What is a Canadian permanent resident?
A foreign national who has obtained permanent residency status in Canada is known as a Canadian permanent resident. Such individuals are allowed to live and work in Canada without any restrictions. Plus, they enjoy various privileges, such as access to healthcare and social services and legal protection. Moreover, they are free to live, study, and work anywhere in Canada. In addition to this, they can become Canadian citizens after spending a specific period as permanent residents of Canada. What's important to note here is that permanent residents cannot vote in elections. Fidel Olivero sent his question via email.
Is it easy to migrate to Canada?
We are grateful for your support and for sending us your thought-provoking question, Fidel. Canada offers more than 80 immigration programs. This means that prospective candidates have numerous options to migrate to Canada. However, moving to a new country requires you to put in some effort. There are immigration programs that can ask for extensive documentation and credentials. Regardless, choosing to avail of the services of a Canadian immigration lawyer can help you complete the immigration process in a seamless manner. Your Canadian immigration lawyer will serve as your point of contact with the Canadian government throughout the application process. Lawyers are the ones who manage the filing of your application while advising you on different matters, such as which documents you should or shouldn't provide. That brings us to the end of our video. We hope we were able to address all your concerns about Canadian immigration. Feel free to drop any other questions you want us to answer in our next FAQ video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get timely notifications from our channel about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.